What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. Today, I'm gonna be talking about the new cash drawer, the new receipt printer, and what you need to buy to get this going. But before I start, I gotta mention my daughter because my daughter's everything. Just to let you know, my daughter's I only have one child, and she's my whole family. And today, it's been 493 days. I haven't seen my daughter. And what's going on in the state of Michigan is disgusting. I don't know if this happening in different states. Basically, pushing gender identity change on our children forcefully at age 11, and and basically making money off my daughters. Like basically, my daughter's been funding CPS for the past almost 2 years now, and not just that. She want to fund the public school through pushing IEP, even though there's nothing wrong with her. They're pushing IEP on her. We have in the state of Michigan. It's a criminal organization that running the state of Michigan right now. Judges, everybody's part of it. Judges, teachers, principals, therapists. I want my daughter out of public school. They're not allowing her to. I'm not allowed to buy my daughter anything for the past 17 months. She's not allowed. She's destroyed. She's completely destroyed. She has gained over 100 pounds. Medication, they put her on medication. Criminal organization. But that's not going to stop me for what I want to go, what I want to be. No matter, I feel like I wake up with a knife in my heart every morning. Me and my daughter would cry blood. Blood. I love this country so much, but this country is being hijacked by criminals. Anyway, let's get back to work because there's nothing we can do. But as long as we stay silent, that's why our children are under attack. So I'm not going to be silent for my daughter, who hasn't seen her father for 493 days. Anyway, let's get back to work because if we don't work, we lose. So, all right. So what you need to let's go to view all products right here. And so what I did, I reorganized everything. I put for new shops. If you don't know which printer to get, this is the newest model, but this one is as good. This one is like double the price though. Let's go back, scroll all the way down. And when you see the plus sign, you understand like we're still working on this, but this is really good on its own. This is the all-change sticker printer. If you want basically heat resistant, the easy option, and obviously those two right here. And this is our receipt printer and cash drawer. You will need this printer. You will need this cash drawer. You will need this cable. If you don't use this cable, it's not going to work. Let me explain something. Let me bring myself here. Let me explain something to you. How this works. So the printer controls the cash drawer, and that's what I want. It's been a massive problem before that, where the Windows 10 or Windows 11 trying to control the cash drawer. Cash drawer is 24 volt. And sending a pulse 24 volt, I don't know. Apparently they don't want that. They don't want the motherboard to do it. So now the printer, this printer right here, will open the cash drawer. The only thing that you need is really simple. Once you get these products, obviously this is the papers for it. Once you get these products, you go right here inside VIP Shop Management, configuration, and then you download the whole thing right here. It's really simple, supposed to be next. But after that, you will need to enable the cash drawer. You go right here, you're gonna go to printers and scanners, and then star right here. And then you go to printer properties, and you go to device settings, and right here, this one by default set to none. You need to set it to document bottom. What does that mean? That means after the receipt prints from the small printer, the cash drawer will open. That's it. And to test, you got to go to right here, open. So they already have a place where you can test it. So operation, I believe, yep. And that's when you test. So you don't need VIP Shop Management to test the cash drawer. You can test it directly from here. If it opens from here, it will open with VIP Shop Management. All what VIP Shop Management does, we print. The printer handles the cash drawer, and that's what I wanted so badly. So yeah, like I said, this is done. Building VIP Shop Management web page. I want it exactly the same like VIP Shop Management. I told the team that. I don't want Shop Monkey and Techmetric and they're all look alike, and none of them actually as good as VIP Shop Management. That's the truth, and nobody wants to admit, right? If we can bring the same app into the web and it opens on the phone and open on Mac computers and open on Android computers, this is it. Because the flow of VIP Shop Management, we all know how fast it is. Create a new estimate, basic call change, authorize. I want the same thing on the web. I don't like to scroll. We're not going to be scrolling. And literally right now, just printing the receipt and the cash drawer opened. I can't find myself. All right, there we go. Why the receipt is so cool? This is the receipt right here. Of course. So the receipt is good because, it's kind of like, it says how much he gave you money in the return. The whole money thing anyway, it's just like, I go to stores right now, like food stores, 90% right now, that percentage continue to go up. 90% credit cards and phone app and 10% cash, and they continue to shrink and shrink. But as long as it does exist, we need it. And we need it, so that means we need a cash drawer, and so we need the receipt printer. So anyway, until next time, thanks for watching. Please pray for my daughter to come home. She deserves to come home. She deserves to have her father back. Thanks for watching.